Jonesy comes up to me and says, I quit my job and I want to start my own fishing show. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in? I was like, yeah, dude, let's make this happen.
We just had a nice follow. I'm using an inline Mepps musky killer right now.
Hi, my name is Matt Jones. A year ago I was headed for a lifelong career in the corporate world of downtown Toronto. I wasn't fulfilled and I wasn't happy. I realized that the only way I was going to find true happiness was to do the one thing I love more than anything else in this world.
I feel fantastic. Life is good.
And that's fishing. My buddy Harper is a filmmaker and an avid outdoorsman as well. We got into my car and drove for 2 days north of the city to a little town in northern Ontario called Makina. The next day we got on a one-prop float plane and flew for 2 more hours before finally arriving at our destination, Eddie North's Attawapiskat River Adventures.
Our first day out, I was glad to have my rain gear and toque.
It's funny how quickly you warm up when you have a 40-inch pike on the end of your line.
Yeah, I sure do.
It's amazing how different this river is from last year. The water level's up about 4 or 5 feet. Most of these pike were still in spawning mode and we're way back up into the shallows.
Halfway through the week, Eddie decided to take the whole camp upriver in a flotilla. The plan was to return to camp that evening and have a giant walleye fry-up.
And did we ever. Between 6 boats, we returned to camp that evening with 37 walleye.
A few of the boys got to work in the cleaning hut, and let me tell you, cleaning 37 walleye is messy business.
Our last day started out slow, but halfway through, the fishing gods decided to shine down on us. And this is the biggest pike I've ever seen in my life. And in the last afternoon of the last day, I finally landed my new personal best. This 46.5-inch beauty that tipped the scale at 19 pounds. What a way to end the trip. Our time had come to say goodbye to this magical place. There was something about spending time with good people in this wild and natural setting that seems to do the soul good. This river will forever be in my mind as I dream about the next adventure there and what swims below the surface. Until next time, this is your host, Matt Jones, fishing in the wild.